thank you and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be making this delicious and ultra soft milk bun recipe. Let's get started. If this is your first time with us, thank you so much for joining in. We post delicious recipes for you to make at home and enjoy with your family and friends. We also provide tips and hacks on how to have a functional kitchen. So if you're into that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on when we post new videos. So guys, in today's video, we'll be making these delicious soft milk buns. Now you can make these in the air fryer as well as in the oven. Either or is the same recipe and it works both ways. So to begin, you want to warm up your milk in the microwave. Now we have the full recipe on our website at savorythoughts.com. We also provide step-by-step guide on how to make it perfectly. After you warm up your milk, go ahead and set it aside. Next, you want to beat 2 eggs in a separate bowl and set it aside. Using a sieve, go ahead and sieve 5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, in a standing mixing bowl. Top the flour with sugar, salt, and yeast. Stir the flour in the machine, and while the machine is running slowly, go ahead and add in the milk. Once you've added the milk, go ahead and add in the eggs and let the machine continue to work for you. While mixing, add in the butter and set the timer immediately for 12 minutes. At this point, you also want to increase the speed to 2. The machine will do all of the kneading for you, so there's no need for you to use your hands. Continue kneading until the timer goes off. When the timer goes off, go ahead and transfer the dough into a clean floured surface. Fold the dough into a ball using the fold under method. Again, on our website, we have step-by-step pictures on how to do this perfectly. So be sure to check it out at savorythoughts.com. Once you are done making the ball, go ahead and transfer the dough into a clean, lightly buttered or oiled bowl. Cover the bowl and allow the dough to rise for about 1 hour. This should double in size. Now at this point, once your flour has risen, it's time for us to move to the next step. So remove the dough from the bowl, place it on a clean floured surface and punch a hole in the middle of the dough. So use your hands and lightly press down and shape the dough into a 12-inch square diameter. Now take out a baking dish and line it with parchment paper. Pull out a small amount of the dough and shape it into a bowl and roll it on a circular motion. And it's best to do this on a floured surface. Try your best to keep the dough all in one size. That way when your bread rises and you're ready to bake, all of your buns are the same size. Place each dough in the baking dish. I try to keep my dough 1/2 inch apart, and for the size is 1 1/4 ounces in weight. So at this point, you want to go ahead and repeat the process, and once you are done placing the dough in the baking dish, go ahead and cover it again and allow it to rise for about 45 minutes in a warm place. It's best to use your oven if you're able to, but if not, I find it easier to just use 2 towels right on top of each other. Okay, so once your dough has risen, go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk. Go ahead and lightly brush the egg mixture over the dough. Bake your bread for about 18 minutes in the oven. And if you are using the air fryer to make these bread, go ahead and preheat your air fryer If your air fryer does not have a preheating setting, that's perfectly fine. You'll still be able to bake your bread in the air fryer. Be sure to use a dish that's small enough to fit the size of air fryer that you have. Once you are done, go ahead and place that dish with the dough in the air fryer basket and bake your bread for 15 minutes at 300 degrees. Okay, so that's it. So our milk buns are ready, and you can go ahead and brush it with butter if you'd like and enjoy it for dinner or for breakfast, whichever fits your fancy. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed. This is one of our ultimate and favorite buns to make. It's perfect for the upcoming holiday, so please do enjoy and leave us a comment in the comment box below. Let us know if you have any questions while I'm making it. And we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.